Hello and congratulations. Chances are if you're watching this video, you have your very own remote CO2 storage safety 3 alarm. The RAD-0102-6 is used across the globe and is designed to protect individuals near stored carbon dioxide where overexposure or leaks could occur. Today, we are going to show you how quick and easy it is to install the device, calibrate the device, and a bit of unboxing. If you're interested, please keep on watching. To begin any installation, you will need a few things, so we will show you a bit of an unboxing of the Remote CO2 Storage Safety 3 alarm so you have everything you need for a proper installation. To start, you will need one set of CO2 safety warning signage. One remote display unit, which will provide visual and audible indication before entering a hazardous room or space. One main sensor unit that comes pre-wired and that should be mounted in a room where CO2 is likely to accumulate. One power supply cord. An optional pack of international power adapters. Mounting hardware and mounting hardware screws, a 25-foot CAT5E cable, and not included but necessary, a standard 12-inch ruler and a power drill.